Bare feet upon the cool earth, her face turned toward the rain. No thunder comes to frighten her, no lightning splits the skies. Just silver drops upon her skin, whispering, "You survived." She lifts her hands with trembling grace and lets the storm embrace her face. Gentle rain, awaken me, wash away what used to be. Drop by drop, unbind these chains, carry courage through my veins. I left his shadow, chose my life. I am more than someone's wife. Let the past fall where it lies. Gentle rain, now help me rise. For years she learned to disappear, to silence every cry, to read the danger in his voice and see it in his eyes. But now the door is closed behind her and the open road is wide. She may not know where she is going, but she knows she will decide. She draws a circle in the ground where only peace may gather round. Gentle rain, awaken me, wash away what used to be. Drop by drop, unbind these chains, carry courage through my veins. I left his shadow, chose my life. I am more than someone's wife. Let the past fall where it lies. Gentle rain, now help me rise. She calls the east to clear her mind, the south to warm her soul, the west to teach her how to feel, the north to make her whole. She calls upon the quiet storm, not vengeance, rage or flame, but strength enough to take one step and answer to her name. By water falling soft and slow, I bless the path on which I go. By earth beneath my steady feet, I claim the life awaiting me. What he has done will not define the beating heart I know is mine. No head, no threat, no cruel command will ever rule this soul again. Gentle rain, empower me, bless the woman I will be. Drop by drop, release the pain, teach my heart to hope again. I left his shadow, saved my life. I belong beneath this sky. With every breath I realize I did not break, and I will rise, and I will rise. The clouds grow pale, the morning starts, rainwater glistens on her arm. She takes one step, then one step more, and never turns.